So today nandito tayo sa office para i-welcome yung ating new sign-up distributor. Tripack po siya or Sapphire account. All the way from Olongapo. Yan, ito si Sir Jonathan and Sir Joel. This is Sir Joel. Yan, they're getting their Tripack. And this is Sir Jonathan. Yan. Sir Joey De Leon. Wow. There you go. So tatlo po yan. Tatlong cell detox po yung in-avail nila. Grabe. Grabe. So that is us. Welcome to JC and House of Franchise. Good morning! Today, we're just having a short meeting with our business partners all the way from Olongapo. Si Kuya Jonathan at si Kuya Joel.
Ayan, kain po tayo.
So, konting planning lang sa mga darating na event na gagawin natin sa Olongapo. Alright, so magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Yeah. So today, ito, nag-ayos kami ng mga packages all the way going to Olongapo. Yan. 3 detox. 4 na all barley. So yan, this is the Olongapo team. Good morning!
Bigyan ako na ng dyan baka sa harap. Thank you, sir.
Bilhin
na
kayo.
kami. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sir.
Bilhin kay Kuya. Ayos siya today. Hi Kuya.